This is Signal Daily News. Marketing news that actually matters to your business. Here's what you need to know today. You've probably seen the headlines about Microsoft and OpenAI. But here's what nobody's telling you. The latest update to Microsoft 365 Copilot just made a big change. GPT-5.6 is now the default model. Think about it. For millions of business users, this is the AI they'll see first. It's built right into Word, Excel, and Outlook. That means one company's model is now the default brain for enterprise productivity.so. What does this mean for your business? First, this is a power move. Microsoft is deepening its dependency on OpenAI. It creates a de facto standard for enterprise AI. For competitors like Google or Anthropic, they just lost a key distribution channel. The AI platform war just got more intense. Second, you need to think about lock-in. Native Copilot integration is smooth. It's convenient. But it also ties you to one ecosystem. We're tracking this closely. The productivity gains are real. But so is the risk of being stuck. Third, watch your third-party AI tools. If you use add-ons for Microsoft 365 that aren't from Microsoft, they might face displacement. We're seeing a trend toward consolidation. It might be time to audit your stack. Here's your move this week. Don't panic, but do evaluate. Ask yourself, are the productivity gains worth the potential lock-in? For most small businesses, the answer is yes. For now. But keep an eye on the alternatives. The AI landscape shifts fast. That's your briefing. Full story at Signal Daily News. Go grow your business. We'll keep watch on the news.